Hello everyone, welcome to Genspark AI. So, what exactly is this tool? This AI tool allows us to use it as a search engine. It's an agent we can find on the Genspark AI website. We simply log in. Let's try it out, say, to plan a trip to San Diego. Let's ask what people in Bogota eat. It'll say, I'll help find info about Bogota residents. Let me search for that information for you. Using its search tool, it's accessed these pages. It extracts info from these pages to give us an answer. We can click to view each page and see the sources. It talks about their diet and more, for example. That's how we can use one of Genspark's features. Or we can use Genspark's deep research method. Basically, we'll go to deep research here. Okay, let's select it. As you can see, we have Super Agent and deep research options. This agent performs an advanced search. Let's ask it a question. What do leopards eat? It'll use deep research to provide an answer. It's like deep thinking or learning in Charge Meta Aid or DeepSeek, where it plans how to give us the solution. I'll show you what leopards eat. Let me search and we'll see the process. It explains the process there first. It searches for information. Then it lists the top predators, searches for info, and so on. It says, let me find info on leopard's diet. It starts searching for the info mentioned in the plan. It begins to execute the plan. Well, obviously, for this type of information, deep research might not be the most useful tool. The cool thing about this is, look at the study it's giving us. The great thing about deep research is that it's going to obtain studies from there. It'll extract information to draw a final conclusion. I don't know about you, but to me, that seems incredible. At the end, it gives us a bit more if we click on Simple to generate the SPA. That's what it's called, which is the final web page. I think they create it, and I'm not sure if you can search for it on Google later, but look, this is everything they give us, the final web page about what leopards eat and such. I mean, it's a lot, and I think it's super well done. That's the cool part. Look at how extensive the result is. And the best part is that it cites each piece of information from the study or source where it got the information, which I think is amazing. So yeah, that's how we can use deep research. Alright, how can we determine the best AI for our task? Well, average folks know ChatGPT and think, I won't use any other tool, but as you develop, you might find some tools more interesting than others. Mistral, for instance, is a fast conversational AI. Not as good as ChatGPT, but very quick. Then there's DeepSeek, once better than ChatGPT. Not now, but it's free at least. Then we have Claude, which clearly, and I say this as a ChatGPT fan for coding, when ChatGPT fails, Claude steps in and solves those types of problems, managing to fix issues that ChatGPT couldn't solve. By the way, with the same prompt before you say the explanation changed or something. So naturally, each task might require a different agent. Maybe there's an AI agent that's excellent at translating and does it super fast, and since we're so focused on ChatGPT, we don't know about it. This is where Genspark comes in. In Genspark, if we go to all agents, we have options for AI, chat, image studio, generate video, and translate. We can create images, videos, translate, and use an AI chat. Let's select the chat option. They all work similarly. And here's the model. This model can search the web. I assume changing it won't matter. The models here are DeepSeek, Gemini, not working, Clouder, and ChatGPT. As you can see, there's an option called Agent Mix. We'll be automatically blending the best AI models for your task. You select that, and this tool should theoretically choose the best option. Let's try something like, where is London? In the responses we're getting, one of them is still thinking. It shows answers from ChatGPT 4, Claude 3.7, and Gemini 2.0 Flash. It gives us a result that combines info from these three AI tools. For some reason, DeepSeek isn't included. Guess it wasn't deemed relevant. And there's our answer, a blend of all the responses. This is amazing because it works for images and everything else. So that's it. Hope you found this helpful. Alright, let's check out Genspark AI's payment plans. We'll go to settings, click upgrade plan, and we see we have 121 credit. Here's the plan. We get 200 free credits daily. And from there, well, if we look at monthly for $25 a month, we get 10,000 credits. Now, 200 times 30 is 6,000 free, 10,000 credits for $25 isn't much more, huh? It does give priority access to all agents, which is nice. That's much better as these agents are more advanced. We get access to all image and video generation models too. So I think it's a fair price. Seems reasonable, $20 monthly, but it feels quite limited. It'd be nice to have more options. They explain the interaction equivalents too. 1 daily free or 50 monthly paid. Not much difference between 30 free monthly and 50 paid. It's a bit, maybe since they're new, they offer lots of credits to expand their user base, right? So yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed. See you in future videos.